I'm happy to be named as the Player of the Year. It's a testament of my hard work from my teammates, my family. And before I continue, I would like Fatau to be in front of me here.
Rising star.
I would like to thank Fatau for coming here to support, even though he's part of the nominees as well. As part of the new generation, one of my aims is to increase the unity and the love between us. And this season, in as much as we are competing for the award, it's a very healthy competition, and then he has pushed me a lot this season, and I've pushed him a lot too. I've told him this already, but in front of everyone, I want to use this opportunity to tell him how proud I am of his journey and how far he has come and what he has done this season at Leicester. And this is a source of motivation for me and him and all the upcoming players coming up. And there has been a lot of legends here. I can't mention names, but I want to use this opportunity to thank all of them, because everything they have done in the past years has paved the way for us, the young ones, to get here today. So our responsibility is also pave the way even clearer for the upcoming ones and then pass the torch backwards. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Footballer of the Year here at the Ghana Football Awards 2024, Kudus Mohammed. Put your hands together one more time.